Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a water lily. This one was first created by Richard Boccaro in 2007 at Lillet Blanc in New York City, and it's a very simple variation on a Corpse Reviver number 2. So it's got the addition, or should I say the substitution, of Crème de Violette in the place of Lillet Blanc. It's a floral Corpse Reviver number 2. Still the same measurements, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce of all the ingredients. So I'm going to start off utilizing my gin, thanks to Kyle, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. The original recipe, I believe, does call for a Plymouth gin, so less juniper forward, some citrus notes to it. I'm just using Beefeater today. And then same measurement, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce of Crème de Violette. So this adds a really nice color to the drink, and a lot of floral notes, of course. And then a triple sec Cointreau, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce, and fresh lemon juice, 22.5, 3/4 ounce. Then fill your cocktail shake with ice, and give it a shake. And into a chilled glass. Strain it straight in. It still has like a nice purple hue to it, but it's kind of like a mysterious purple. What would you say, Kat? What was the word you used to describe it before? Moody. Yeah. It's a moody purple hue rather than the vibrant purple that the Crème de Violette has. And for garnish, big twist of lemon. I believe this one's featured in the PDT cocktail book. I don't have my copy to actually check at the moment. And it's in Shake, Stir, another book that I've got on hand. I'll leave that in the description below. The second book did actually call for stirring the cocktail, but since it's got citrus and PDT really know their shit, I thought I'd stick with their version. They have the water lily. Cheers. That is fantastic. For those people who have been watching the videos for a while, I really like Corpse Revivers number 2, and this is just a nice floral, citrusy, it's almost like candied flowers kind of note to it, but not overly sweet. It's well balanced. This is one worth a try if you've got a bottle of Crème de Violette sitting around. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Pick your favorite video and share it with a friend, and I'll see you soon. Cheers. A slightly purple floral Corpse Reviver number.